I wanted to go in break this day for the second time in this race. I had the opportunity, and yesterday I wasn't lucky about it, and today it succeeded, and I think I did a perfect race, and I felt strong at the end. I feel very satisfied because and it hasn't really gone up for me probably that I won a stage in the Tour. I had the opportunity, and wow, great feeling. I was nervous about the other guys in the breakaway, especially Pelliciotti and Astalosa, which are very strong riders and normally stronger riders than I am. And I think tactically I did a smart move by attacking first and pretty early. And in that, I was hoping that they were looking for Pelliciotti, which is by far the strongest guy, and they probably also did.